Did you ever ponder about the remarkable health benefits of olive oil? This humble golden elixir, cherished by many, holds a prominent place in kitchens across the globe. From the rustic tables of the Mediterranean to the bustling markets of Asia, olive oil adds a touch of magic to every dish it graces. It's not just about flavor and texture though. This liquid gold carries a deep history, a fascinating production process, and a plethora of health benefits. Today we dive into the world of olive oil, exploring its history, production, and amazing health benefits. The tale of olive oil begins thousands of years ago. Born in the cradle of civilization, the Mediterranean, olive oil was more than just food. It was anointing oil, a medicinal remedy, a trading commodity, a symbol of peace and prosperity. Ancient Greeks called it liquid gold, such was its worth. The olive tree, hardy and resilient, thrived in the rocky soils and sunny climes of the Mediterranean region, offering its fruit generously. And from this fruit came the precious oil, through a process honed over centuries. Harvesting the olives is a delicate task, often performed by hand to prevent damage to the fruit. Once gathered, the olives are swiftly transported to the mill to ensure freshness. Here, they are gently cleaned and crushed, pits and all, into a paste. This paste is then churned or malaxed to allow the tiny droplets of oil to combine. The next step is extraction. In the old days, this was done by pressing the paste between mats, but modern methods use centrifuges, which spin the paste at high speed, separating the oil from the water and solids. The resulting oil is then stored in dark, cool conditions to preserve its quality and flavors until it's ready to be savored. The journey from olive grove to your kitchen table is one of passion and precision. Olive oil is more than just a kitchen staple. It's a nutritional powerhouse, packed with essential elements that contribute to a healthier you. Let's delve into its impressive nutritional profile. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which are heart-friendly fats that can help lower bad cholesterol levels. It's also a fantastic source of antioxidants like oleuropein, hydroxytyrosol, and oleocanthal. These antioxidants not only protect your cells from harmful free radicals but also exhibit anti-inflammatory properties, promoting overall wellness. Olive oil also provides a generous dose of vitamins E and K, both playing crucial roles in blood clotting, wound healing, and maintaining strong bones. But that's not all. The presence of polyphenols in olive oil is thought to play a role in preventing diseases like cancer and type 2 diabetes. So with every drizzle of olive oil, you're not just enhancing the flavor of your meals, you're enriching your body with essential nutrients. It is indeed a liquid goldmine of nutrition. Olive oil's health benefits extend far beyond the kitchen. Let's start with the heart, which is, after all, the engine that keeps us running. Olive oil, rich in monounsaturated fats, is a friend to our cardiovascular system. It helps reduce levels of bad cholesterol, or low-density lipoprotein, while promoting the good cholesterol, high-density lipoprotein. Simply put, it's like a diligent gatekeeper, keeping the harmful elements out while inviting the beneficial ones in. But the goodness doesn't stop there. Olive oil also comes packing a punch with anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to a compound called oleocanthal. This natural phenolic compound works like a charm against inflammation, making olive oil a possible ally for those battling arthritis and other inflammatory diseases. Shifting gears, let's delve into the realm of cognitive health. Recent studies suggest that olive oil could be a knight in shining armor for our brain function. The antioxidants found in olive oil are thought to help combat oxidative stress, which is linked to cognitive decline. It's like having a secret weapon in your pantry against the ravages of time on your brain. Now let's touch upon a topic that is often a source of concern for many. Weight management. Olive oil can be a helpful comrade in this battle. Its satiating properties can help keep hunger pangs at bay, making you feel full for longer. It's like having a personal trainer, helping you resist those pesky cravings. Lastly, let's not forget about the beauty benefits. Olive oil has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for skin and hair health. It's like a spa treatment right in your kitchen, leaving your skin glowing and your hair shimmering. With its myriad of benefits, olive oil proves to be a true health benefactor. Now that you're convinced about olive oil's benefits, how do you choose the right one? Well, it's essential to consider factors like extra virgin status, origin, and storage. Extra virgin olive oil, often labeled as EVU, is the highest quality. It's cold-pressed, meaning heat hasn't compromised its beneficial properties. When it comes to origin, European countries, particularly Italy, Spain, and Greece, are known for their superior olive oil production. However, don't overlook the New World producers like California. Lastly, storage is key. Olive oil should be stored in a cool, dark place and ideally in a dark-tinted bottle to protect it from light exposure. Incorporating olive oil into your daily meals is a breeze. Drizzle it over salads, use it in marinades, or sauté your veggies in it. It's a versatile ingredient that can easily replace less healthy fats in your cooking. Remember, the right oil can make a world of difference. Olive oil, a simple ingredient with extraordinary benefits. We've traveled through time, understanding its rich history, and delved into the meticulous process of its production. We've unraveled the nutritional treasure it holds, from monounsaturated fats to antioxidants and vitamins, all contributing to our overall health. Let's not forget the championing role it plays in maintaining heart health, combating inflammation, and even preserving brain function. It's a delightful ally in weight management and a beauty secret for radiant skin and lustrous hair. But remember, the key lies in choosing the right olive oil and incorporating it wisely into a balanced diet. Just think about it. One single ingredient, so many remarkable benefits. It's almost like nature's little gift to us, so enjoy it. And until next time, stay healthy. Thanks for tuning in to our channel Remedies and Resolutions. If you are passionate about natural remedies and holistic health, be sure to explore our other videos for tips on everything from combating colds to safe alternatives for many harsh prescriptions with unwanted side effects. If you found this video helpful, show some love by hitting the like button and sharing it with friends or family who might benefit from these healthy alternatives. For a regular dose of proven home remedies and treatments, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We are dedicated to bringing you multiple new videos every week to keep you informed and inspired on your wellness journey. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for watching and have an amazing day filled with health and happiness.